to show you a little project we've been working on in our spare time. It's our little run-around van that we try to make solar powered. So the reason why most electric vehicles can't be solar powered is because they have very high voltage batteries, like 400, 500 volt batteries. And in order to charge a battery with solar power, you need a higher voltage. And even these large 600 watt panel on the roof only gets up to 50 volts. And the 360 panel on the side gets up to 40 volts. So what we've done is we've put a second degree battery in. So what we do is these small panels, relatively small, charge a 24 volt battery just through a normal MPPT solar controller, and then that battery through an inverter charges the big little van battery. And on this particular little car it's only 48 volts anyway, so we don't need very high voltage to do it. She's up and running finally. I can probably show you a little bit about what's going on in the back, and you can see. So we've made our panel so that she can tilt when she stops. So if you choose wherever the sun is, you can tilt this panel out, and you can tilt that panel up as well to maximize the sun. And that's how she works. So this is the inside. Excuse the installation, it's very basic, it's just more for testing purposes. But basically our solar panels come into our solar controller, which is currently at 27 volts, so I know that these batteries are fully charged. This solar controller charges our small lead acid batteries, 24 volt system, which powers up our inverter, and then our inverter through AC power charges our big main battery, which is a big 48 volt battery that came with the van. But it's really simple, it's really easy, and in theory it should work. This is an actuator, this is a linear actuator, so that's what powers up the tilting of the solar panels. So we can, not quite completely yet, but we can hit a button and tilt the solar panels when we parked up. So we've also put a little linear actuator on these solar panels, so we can hit a button, Dave, hit a button, and then we can tilt them towards the sun. So basically, if you were out in summer and you wanted, in the middle of the day, you could get them almost horizontal. Like the top one's horizontal as it sits. But either early morning or late afternoon, you can just tilt the van to where the sun is, and then you can get it to tilt up. These go up to 45 degrees now. So yeah, we can kind of maximize our sun and winter production. Cool. And it is, yeah, it just runs off the 12 volt circuit that the battery already has. So the roof panel also tilts up. So we power it again with a scissor actuator which Dave made. And what that does, it just lifts the middle of the panel, and again we can get it to the same angle as this panel. So again we maximize late afternoon or early morning sun, or even winter sun angle. We can face the van south and then get a charge. Yeah, winter testing will be a result. At the moment there's loads of sun energy, so batteries are topped up more than we can use. Super keen to see how she works going into winter. Her current use is literally from doing little shopping in our local little builders merchants, which is 2 miles away, and then our home is also 2 miles away. So no, she's not doing long journeys, but we think we'll do a lot with the solar energy that she's doing. She can peak out at nearly 900 watts of energy in solar, and she only takes 250 watts to drive her. So in theory, it should work really well, and yeah, we're looking forward. We'll hopefully keep you updated.